Alright guys, welcome to another tutorial on engine drawing under the series of orthographic projection. If you haven't checked the first episode or the first tutorial on orthographic projections, please do. We briefly introduced it and also talked about first angle projection there. Today we'll be talking on third angle projection. We'll be doing the same thing we did in the first angle projection, but we are going to show the difference between third angle and first angle projection. Alright, so remember our quadrants: first, second, third, fourth. So third angle projection is based on the third quadrant. Alright, so if first angle was the front elevation here, the plan here, the left side view here, the right side view here, we completely interchange that in third angle projection. So in third angle projection, the plans at the top, the front, let me clean that, front elevation. The front elevation is directly below the plan. The right side view, right side elevation, or whichever you choose, is on the right side, and the left side view is on the left side. So remember I told you in first angle projection, okay, let me just bring that up so that you can easily remember. We have the front elevation here, we have the plan down. At this side, which is at the right side, we have the left side view and the right side view on the other side. So this is first, this is third, this is first. And remember the symbol for first, something like this. But now for third is also inverted, where we have the circle first, concentric circles first. Something like this. This is all rough, but I will, in further tutorials, I will construct it perfectly. So these are the differences between the first and the third. This is the third, this is the first, the third. So let me go on why this is like this. Alright, so remember in the first tutorial on first angle projection, we had a little object we used to understand. So I'll be using that again. Yeah. This is the first angle, the first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth quadrants. So we are using the third quadrant. Let me have this. So if we were to place an object, and we're still using that same object we used last time, like this, and we decide to plot an orthographic projection for this object in third angle projection. So what we do is we look. So what can we see? We can see that the elevation is down below, right? That's here. And it's a trapezoidal shape. Let me just draw out the planes here. So we have the trapezoidal shape. So it's down, right? So that's why we're drawing it down here. Right. So this is our front elevation, FE. We then want to see what the plan looks like. So we pull this up right so that we can see how the plan looks. So if I take this up like this, we can see the plan. And we have this guy here, and we have the inner here. So projecting the lines upwards, it's our center line. We have here and something like that. So this explains the third angle symbol. Okay, so why do we have the left side view on the left side and the right side view on the right side? So if we have this and we want to see what this place looks like, what we do is by bending this like this, we can see what the left side looks like. It's completely inverted for third angle. It's different from first angle. This is it. Then our plan is up. Plan is up. Then the right side view. The right side view. We want to see what this object looks like from here. So it's this right side view. This explains third angle and its symbol and the projection guidelines for each of the quadrants, first and the third. So in the next video, we'll be taking some brief examples showing how orthographic projection really works. See you there.